Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Fabulous Food. Today I'll be making some nice halwa. Today we're fasting and I'm making some nice halwa here. So I have 1 cup of flour in my pan here. I'll parch the flour until it becomes brown. Meanwhile the flour is parching, I'm making the mixture for the halwa. So I have half a can of condensed milk, 1 can of carnation milk. This is low-fat carnation milk. So using the same can, I added 1 can of water, 1 cup of milk, 2%, another half a cup more, adding half a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon cardamom powder. Mix everything now. Using my whisk to whisk everything. So I have a piece of ginger here. I'll just put it in my mortar and break it up. Check the ginger here. Nicely grind in the mortar. So I have my ginger here, nice and fresh. And I'll be using this halwa masala. I had half a pack, so fasting today, so I better use this up. All the way from Guyana. Mixed in like 4 teaspoons. I don't like it too hot, so 4 teaspoons. I added an extra teaspoon, so 5 teaspoons of halwa masala and piece of ginger. Add in some water, 1/4 cup. Mix everything up. Smells good. Halwa masala smells so good. Don't like it too bitter, so this is enough. I can smell it from here. Check it out. Smells so good. Check out the color here. Nice and brown. So add in the flour mixture to the bowl. The parched flour. Whisk everything up until the lumps are gone. Add in 1 stick of butter. I break it up in 4. Add in the halwa masala and ginger and add in the flour mixture. I'm straining it here. Keep mixing. Check it out, guys. Looking so nice. Check out the color. Han, what do you think?
Looking good, looking good.
Yeah, you're getting halwa. You come back from Guyana. Making halwa for you. You like halwa?
Love halwa.
You love halwa. I love halwa and dal puri. Sweet and salt. It's so good. So I'm fasting today. And I'm making some halwa to eat with dal puri. Check it out, looking so nice. Check it out, looking so good. Check it out, guys. Halwa is all done. Look at that. Looking so nice. Look at the halwa here. Check it out, looks so good. This is how halwa gotta be. Like nice, look. Seems nice and loosey. Anyways, guys, check out the halwa. Looking so nice. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like how my halwa comes out. Check it out, so nice. Bye bye.